Hello, mathematicians. In this video, we're going to learn how to measure length in centimeters. You will need a ruler, a pair of scissors, and a glue stick. Let's get started. Why are we learning to measure with centimeters? So that we can measure the length of small objects. Centimeters are the tiniest thing that we will measure with this year, and so this is going to help us measure the tiniest of little itty-bitty objects. So your little finger is about 1 centimeter across. So the width of your little finger can help you estimate the length of a centimeter. And a ruler, remember, is a tool that we use to measure length. So one side of the ruler has inches on it. The other side has centimeters. And you can make sure when you're measuring the centimeters that you are using the side of the ruler with the tiniest little small units. Now remember, centimeter are the smallest standard unit that we are going to use this year. Now, just like in the last video where we measured a cell phone with inches, now we're going to measure it with centimeters. So first, we're going to line up the first unit right here, not the edge of the ruler, the first unit, the first centimeter where it means 0, this is where they start, with the edge of the cell phone, the object that we're measuring. Then we're going to count the centimeters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. This cell phone is 15 centimeters long. Even though it goes over the 15 just a little bit, I know that it's not closer to the 16, so I'm going to say this is about 15 centimeters long. Now, when we measured the cell phone with inches, it wasn't nearly 15. So whenever you're measuring with centimeters, you're going to need more units because they're smaller. So that's one way to check and make sure you use the right side of the ruler. You're going to need a lot of centimeters and just a few inches. Let's try with the scissors. First, we're going to line up the unit at the first unit at the edge of the scissors. Go ahead and get your scissors and your ruler and line it up as well. Then we're going to count the units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and it's just before the 12, but it's definitely closer to the 12 than the 11. So I'm going to say that this is about 12 centimeters long. You ready to try one on your own? Right, you're going to need your glue stick and your ruler. And you're going to measure how many centimeters your glue stick is. Ready? Okay, pause the video. All right, let's see if you got it right. First, make sure that the edge of the glue stick is lined up with the first line on your ruler. Not the edge of your ruler, the first line on your ruler. Then we count the units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Your glue stick should be about 8 centimeters long. Now, just like with the marker, different brands are going to have different lengths, but as long as you follow these steps, you can make sure that you measured correctly. Awesome job. You are flamazing. Now you can measure length in centimeters. See you next time.